Hello, good morning, my beloved students, grade 1. Today, as usual, because this is Friday, we will have PLBG and English class. Today we will move on with the new knowledge, the new thing in PLBG and English. We will talk about something that really important and we always use every day to help us go to somewhere from one place to another place, whether it's using machine or whether it's using manpower. We will talk about transportation in Jakarta. Okay, so transportation means a vehicle or a tools that use for give us the easiness to move from one place to another place in the fastest way and in the efficient way. Jadi sebuah alat ataupun ways cara yang digunakan for us human to move from one place to another place, untuk berpindah dari satu tempat ke tempat yang lain dengan lebih fast and efficient, dengan cepat dan juga efisien. Efisien itu artinya tidak banyak membuang waktu. Jadi bisa tidak banyak membuang waktu dan tenaga, kecuali kalau transportasinya menggunakan tenaga manusia ya. Dan di sini juga efisien itu will help you when you bring something or with your friends. You use this transportation. Menggunakan alat ini, cara ini disebut dengan transportasi, memindahkan sesuatu hal dengan cepat dari satu tempat ke tempat yang lain. Bisa jauh, bisa dekat. Okay? That is about transportation. Jadi untuk mengantar kita ya dari satu tempat ke tempat yang lain. Bisa untuk mengantar manusia, bisa juga untuk mengantar benda ataupun hewan. Okay? What kind of transportation? Let's move. If you see in PLBJ in English, if you see the PLBJ books, we have two kind of different transportation. The first one, transportation with machine. Okay, this one, and the next one is transportation with manpower. It's very different, yeah. Kalau with machines, it's like a new modern transportation. Transportation with machine, it means modern transportation like car, and then we have public transportation like bus, train. For today we will talk about mostly about public transportation in Jakarta, yeah. But actually we make two differentiation atau membuat dua perbedaan between transportation with machine and transportation with manpower. What is it, guys? What transportation is it? Maybe some of you, not all of you can see this kind of transportation in Jakarta, yeah. Maybe if you're going to another region in Java, like Jogja or Solo, you can see this kind of transportation. This is using manpower. It's called pedicab or becak. Even if you go to Thailand, you can see this kind of transportation also. So the passenger is in the front and the driver is in the back, and it has three wheels like by J, but the two wheels in the front and one wheel in the back. And this one is using manpower. But maybe sometime in Medan, if you see, we also have bentar or becak motor. They are using engine power from motorcycle. But for today, we will talk about two kind different of transportation. From the how it's move or how it's go, like the machines and the manpower. Jadi berdasarkan penggeraknya. The first one is transportation with machine or modern transportation. What are they? Do you know what is the example of modern transportation? Let's see. The first one we have, what is it, guys? Yeah, this one is bus. This is Transjakarta bus, and you can find easily in Jakarta, right? Basically, for this transportation is to uh, give you easy access to transport from another place to another place in Jakarta. The number one is bus. Next we have this one. You know what is the name? Yeah, this is train. This is also transportation, yeah, that we use to move from maybe from Jakarta to, yeah, this is quite far away direction, yeah, to far away place like in another province of Indonesia. If you want to go to East Java, probably ke Jawa Timur, or you want to go to Jogja or Solo from Jakarta, you can use this transportation, use train. Next one, we have, what is it? Can you see it? Yeah, this is a cruise ship or ship. Nah, this is a ship, also a transportation that we can found in Tanjung Priok. Why? If you ever go to Tanjung Priok or maybe go to Ancol, they also ship, but different ship, yeah, maybe a little ship. Next one we have, this is maybe if you want going to more far place and you want to get there fast, you can use this kind of transportation. It is a plane. Yes, this is a plane. And the last one we also have in Jakarta. Yeah, this is also the same with the becak, yeah, the wheels, but this is the engine power. It's also included in modern transportation because of they are using engine or using machine. This is bajai. Nah, what is the difference between this kind of three kind of transportation? Yeah, for bus, train, and bajai, it's called land transportation. Disebut dengan transportasi darat because it's using boat or it's going from one place to another place on the surface of Earth, melewati permukaan bumi, on the ground. I mean, it's move on the track. They have their own track, so it's called land transportation. The next one we have water transportation because ship cannot move on the land, but ship move on the water, right? On the ocean, and it's called water transportation. And the last one is air transportation atau transportasi udara because it's move through the air atau above us on the sky, yeah, on the blue sky. Nah, so this kind of transportation, all of them is a modern transportation because all of it using engine or machine power to get moved from one place to another place, yeah. And this kind of transportation is help us to move not just one person, but we can have a lot of people to get in this transportation except Bajai, yeah, because Bajai maybe only 3 or 2 persons that can join in the Bajai, but like plane, ship, bus, and train can have a lot of people, and then it's move fast, and also we can take our things or our bag with us to use this transportation. So that's why using public transportation is give many benefit, memberikan banyak keuntungan, like this is fast and then cheap and then it's efficient because you can take so many goods or so many stuff with you, membawa banyak barang menggunakan transportasi umum. Okay, this is about transportation using machine. And the next one is transportation with manpower. You know this one? Yeah, this is a pedicab. Okay. The next one, what are they? What is it? Transportation that using manpower. Yeah, we have this one. Yeah, I think all of you have this kind of transportation. Yeah. This is bicycle. Nah, bicycle also transportation. because this is a tools to help us move from one place to another place. Sepeda itu juga termasuk transportasi, alat transportasi, tapi this is individual or private transportation, transportasi pribadi. Kecuali kalau belakang diisi orang juga bisa, cuman kan tidak banyak orangnya, hanya maximum two ya. Because bicycle help us, membantu kita untuk pindah dari satu tempat ke tempat yang lain menggunakan sebuah alat. Alatnya yang disebut dengan penggerak ini sepeda, menggunakan gear, rantai, and so. Okay, so bicycle also transportation. The next one, yo, can you? So if you using transportation with, actually this is not just manpower, but transportation with not machine. Not machine transportation atau transportasi yang tanpa menggunakan mesin. It's not just using manpower, but also using animal power also. What is it? Or what are they? Do you remember? Do you know it? Yeah. Last one we have this one. This is unicorn transportation. No, but it is a horse cart. If you see on the Jakarta Fair, you can see delman, right? Seperti delman, atau in Jawa we call andong atau kereta kuda. Nah, that's also a transportation without machine, and this is using animal power. Okay, so this three kind of transportation is transportation with machine, or using manpower, or animal power. Okay, so from that kind of transportation, for all of the transportation, they have the benefit. Mereka punya keuntungan. What is the benefits? If you using public transportation, it will reduce the traffic jam. Kalau menggunakan transportasi publik yang memuat banyak orang, pasti akan mengurangi traffic jam atau mengurangi macet di Jakarta. Karena semua orang akan naik kendaraan yang sama, sehingga tidak banyak kendaraan pribadi. Nah, but maybe for today, most all of the people prefer to use private transportation karena because of the coronavirus, right? But that's okay. Even though if you want to use plane or train, you can use it. You can still use it, but in type protocol, the health protocol, dengan protokol kesehatan yang cukup ketat. Ya, you still can use public transportation. The next one, if we use public transportation and transportation without using machine, you can reduce the air pollution, bisa mengurangi polusi, karena if you use public transportation, it means less private transportation, it means less car and less vehicle in the Jakarta. Jadi semakin sedikit kendaraan pribadi atau kendaraan yang ada di Jakarta, karena all of you using public transportation, so it will reduce the air pollution, mengurangi polusi udara. And if you use transportation without machine like bicycle or pedicab or horse cart, nah there will be no emission, right? Tidak akan ada emisi atau gas buang, and it will help Jakarta to get more to get Jakarta cooler, and that's not so much hot like usual. Jadi bisa berpengaruh ke the weather, the atmosphere, tidak panas seperti sebelumnya, lebih dingin. And the next one, what is the benefit of using the transportation? It's people interaction. So if and especially for using public transportation, terutama untuk transportasi umum, it will help you to improve your people interaction, to make you more socialized, untuk membuat your characteristic or yourself, diri kalian semakin berinteraksi dengan manusia, dengan orang, menumbuhkan rasa sosial kalian, to grow your social, and then your empathy, sympathy. Kalau kalian naik public transportation, you will see someone else that need help, and then you can try to help them. Now that will grow your social behavior or to grow your empathy or sympathy to another people. Jadi membantu kalian juga untuk melatih rasa empati dan simpati kalian terhadap orang lain. And this is you cannot learn just from school or from your house. Tidak hanya bisa dipelajari dengan di sekolah ataupun di rumah. Because sometimes when you see strangers, now that will help you to think, oh, this is a good people or this is a bad people, or I can do this thing, or I can help another people, or maybe I shouldn't do this thing. Like ketika kalian di public transportation, you sing loud, kalian nyanyi keras-keras, itu kan akan mengganggu orang lain, will not make comfortable the another passengers. Nah, itu ketika kalian belajar untuk which one is the best one, which one is good, which one is not. Mana yang bagus, mana yang tidak ketika berada di transportasi umum. To grow up your sympathy and your empathy. Nah, okay. So I think that's all about today's topic about transportation. So many things, yeah, we can talk about transportation. And yeah, so if you want to use the public transportation, please always using your mask, and then don't forget the hand sanitizer. Okay, and after you get to your destination, sampai ke tujuan kalian, immediately to take a bath, take a shower, and wash your clothes, yeah, because of to avoid the coronavirus. Yeah. Okay, so I think that's all, guys, for today. Thank you for watching the video from Mr. Martin about transportation in Jakarta. We will see you again on the next meeting. Okay, and keep safe, keep healthy, and don't forget on Monday we will have English test unit 5. Okay, so good morning everyone. Bye bye.